Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Okay, guys. So, any whatever the issues are there, you can we can talk first. Whatever your problems are there. So whatever your problems are there, please ask me right now. Okay. So moving ahead, what anybody can tell me what were we doing? What was the last topic that we did? Yes, guys, be active. What was the last topic that we did?
Ma'am, if in FI statement.
Okay.
Echo and all.
सुनो लो चप्पल ये नहीं Okay. Okay, so this was done, copy one, if then else condition was done, okay? So,
Sonali, your screen is not visible.
okay. So let me introduce you to operators, okay? So we were using operators here, okay? That $A is greater than 4, so less than 4. So these are operators when we want to compare numbers, okay? So when we want to compare number, then we use these operators, okay? If you will compare these words and all, then it will not work, okay? Or they have proper thing to need syntax to write, okay? So you can see which is GE, less than equal to which is LE, and not equal to which is NE, and equal to which is EQ. Okay, so these are some operators which we use. Okay, I have
Sonali,
already used and showed you. Yes, what are you saying?
Your voice is breaking up.
Is it okay now?
Yes, it is.
Okay. As you can see, I did f1.sh. Here I use this
Uh,
greater than symbol.
can Sonali, please explain from first.
What to explain?
Like you started, no, that operators.
So what you did not get in that?
Like I didn't. I am unable to hear your voice. What you said, I didn't get.
Okay, okay. Is it audible now? Is my voice audible now?
Yes.
So these are operators, okay? When we want to compare numbers, then we use these operators. Okay, we have greater than, we have less than, we have greater than equal to, we have less than equal to. Similarly, I have used here, as you can see, that I have used this h, $h is greater than 50. Okay, so I can use here less than also, LT, okay, less than equal to LE. Okay, so these are some of these numbers which we numbers for comparing purpose we use these operators. Okay, so I have shown you one example. If you want, you can do the changes here only, that instead of greater than you can use greater than equal to, instead of less than, here you can use less than, here you can use less than equal to, anything you can use and compare the numbers. Okay, for I'm telling you examples of operators. Okay, like this you can do it and build your own questions. Next is file test. Okay, so we have few operators which can be used to test various properties associated with Unix file. Assume a variable holds an existing name. Suppose I have a file name which is test. Okay, the name of the file is test. Okay, and the size of it is 100 bytes. Okay, and it has read, write, and execute permission. Three permissions it has on it: read, write, and execute permission. Okay, so yesterday somebody was asking me PDFs and all. I've sent the Linux PDFs. This is Vijayshri. Vijayshri, are you connected? Yes, Vijayshri, are you connected?
Ma'am, day before yesterday, I am asking doubt in call command.
Cal command Vijayshri. The thing is are you Vijayshri?
Oh, ma'am, I am Shakti.
Okay, you are Shakti. Cal command, the thing is that I need to tell you from root. Okay, I need to tell you what is root. Okay, then you will be able to understand. Yeah, that's why I'm waiting for this part topic to be over. Okay, so you please leave this cal command. Okay, because that is admin part. Okay, Shakti.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
And if you are more interested, I don't have any issue in sending it to you. Okay. So a variable holds, suppose we have read, write, and execute permission on it. Okay. So suppose I have a file name test, okay? The size of the file is 100 bytes and read, write and execute permission or it is there, okay? So these are some conditions to check the file, okay? To check the file, whether what kind of file it is, okay? So you can see here, um, these are not so important. Hyphen F, if it is the file is a regular file, okay? For checking whether the file is a regular file or not, we use this hyphen F condition. Then hyphen S, if the file is not zero size, okay? If the file is not zero size, we use this hyphen S condition, okay? Hyphen D means if the file is a directory, okay? We are comparing directories. Hyphen B for block, special files, hyphen files, hyphen R for that the file exists and it has read permission on it. Okay, hyphen W for a file exists and it has write permission on it. And hyphen X if the file exists and it has an execute permission on it. And hyphen K if the file exists and sticky bit is set on it. Okay, so all of these things are there.
No, please tell once again. No.
Yes, yes, I'm giving you an example which will make it clear to you. Okay, so I write echo, enter any file. Okay. Okay, so what does this mean? Okay, I am checking for the file. Okay, I will give any random name of the file and I'll check whether it exists in my system or not. Okay, so this part hyphen F file name hyphen F is will check that whether this file exists or not. Okay, so suppose I give any file name. Okay, let's test the program. Okay, it's asking me to enter any file name. I have so many files. Suppose I'm giving month.txt. So it's saying yes, file exists. Okay, again, what I do is I give any random file name. So it says file does not exist because yes, obviously this file does not exist in your system. Is it clear to you guys?
Sonali, you are speaking too fast. What is happening? I am unable to understand now.
What which part is left from your side, from my side?
From the beginning, you are speaking too fast. I was unable to grab. We are running this ftest.sh. We are entering a file name. So what it is checking
Yes.
actually?
It is checking whether this file exists or not.
In the current directory
This
or from the
hyphen
root
F from the current directory it is searching. If I have to write something from the root directory or any other directory, I'll just give the path, whole path I will give. Okay, I have not given any path. It means that it is from the current directory.
Okay.
Okay, now it is checking. I asked to echo enter any file name. Okay, so in F name there is a file name. Okay, F name is a variable which will contain the file name. Now it will check whether the file exists or not. okay, -f in their current directory, if it is existing or not. If it is existing, then it will echo file exist, else it will echo file does not exist. This is the simple thing about this program. Is it clear to all of you? This -f is used to check for the file whether the file exists or not. So you can check any file you want, okay? To think whether this file exists or not, you can check for any file. So this is used in programs, very big shell scripts when we want to make. Okay, firstly we want to test whether the things we are doing the operation on that particular file, whether it exists or not. So this special check is put in the beginning of the program. Okay, then we move ahead of the file to grab something, to take out some data from that file. Okay, for that purpose we use this -f file name. Is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes, Sonali, yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, clear.
please do it. Okay, dear, please do it and send me the output. All of you, please do it and send me the output. ASAP. Is it done? Shall I move ahead? Nobody has sent me the picture till now.
Yeah, I'm getting an error. I'm trying to work on that. Just give me two.
Others, Viraj, Ganesh Ram, please send it. Shaktival, done. Gayatri, Sandhya, please all of you do it ASAP and send me the output.
Sonali, actually, I'm sending a screenshot. I'm getting some kind of error. I'm unable to understand. Can you please help me with that?
Yes, yes. If you
I
want, you
just
can
sent
share
it.
your screen as well.
Yeah, I can share my screen. Shall I share my screen?
Yes, share your screen.
Are you able to see my screen, Sonali?
Wait. Yes, I can see your screen.
Yeah. So this is the error which I'm getting.
Open the file. You have not used then, I suppose, no?
Sorry.
You have not used then.
Where
If
should
then
I write?
else. After if, next line.
After
If
if
then
next line.
else. Yes.
If then should be. Achha, okay. Okay. Understood. So it should be like this now.
Yes.
Okay. Great. It works now. Thanks.
Okay, so Nitish Kumar has sent. It has worked very good, Nitish. Okay, Gayatri has also done it. Ganesh Ram. Ganesh Ram, what is the error? Can you share your screen? Yes, Ganesh Ram, can you share your screen?
Yes, 1 minute.
Okay. Okay, after F name, you need to give a space in if condition. Come down. Come down. After F name, you have no if condition, if hyphen F dollar F name, you have not given a space before the bracket.
Okay, 1
Come
minute.
down, Ganesh.
Yes, yes, I'm
Do page down and come down.
here, right?
Press, yes, press A here. A,
Yeah,
yes. Okay,
space.
give space. Yes. Now do escape shift colon W key. Now run it. No, once given na permission, you need not to give it again and again. Once you have given. Give any file name. Interact you are having, I suppose interact.sh. Okay, good. Viraj, open it.
Yes, now it's working.
Understood? All of you have
Yes,
understood, I suppose now. Okay. Gayatri, what have you installed on which platform you are working, dear? Yes, can you hear me?
Sorry.
Yes, yes, Gayatri.
That's why I use the Ubuntu downloaded from Microsoft. So
Not able to hear you properly.
Can you
Okay,
hear
to
me
check.
now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yeah, my laptop I have only a 4 GB RAM. That's why I installed Ubuntu from Microsoft Store.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so you are working on root actually. Okay, you need to switch on to any user. Okay, you need to
Okay,
switch on
okay,
to any user. Okay,
okay.
this is a similar question. Okay, to check this is for hyphen W. Okay, hyphen W dollar F name means if it has the right permission on it. Okay. Next is string test. Okay. So what do you mean by string test? Okay. So we are comparing two strings together. Suppose I compare one string and I compare another string. Both of them I compare together. Okay. Whether they are equal or not, whether there is length same or not. Okay. Many criterias are there to check. Okay. For them. Okay. Suppose here you can see here uh, true if the strings are same. String 1 is equal to string 2. This is the condition. Okay, so true if the strings are same. Then string 1 is not equal to string 2. It means true if the strings are different. Okay, then hyphen n. Hyphen n string. True if the length of the string is greater than 0. N means number. N means number. Means the string has some particular number. Obviously, the length of the string is greater than 0. Hyphen z string. True if the length of the string is 0. Okay, and string if the string is not a null string. Okay, so like this, the things move ahead. Okay, so let us check. Okay, so here is the condition. str1 is equals to good and str2 is equals to bad, and str3 is equals to null. Okay, so let's check about that. Okay, so str1 is equals to, let me clean my screen. str equals to good, str2 is equals to bad, and str3 is equals to null. Okay, I have declared it like this. Now I will be comparing. Okay, so firstly, what is eco dollar question mark? Let me tell you. Okay, so what does you mean by eco dollar question mark? Eco dollar question mark tells us the status of the current last executed command. Okay, suppose I have executed this command, okay, and this has worked properly. Okay, so echo dollar question mark will send me 0. 0 means correct, true. Okay, and if it is sending anything else, either 1, 1 means false, and 127, it means error. Okay, suppose I write something false, if you can see. Okay, so it says command not found, obviously error. So it is showing me an echo dollar question mark. It is showing me that the last executed command is error. Okay, so 127. Okay, suppose if I write anything else, if the command I have written is also wrong. Okay, suppose str3 is equal to I wrote like something like this. So this has worked, you can see. Okay, so equal dollar question mark is giving me 0. It means that the command is correct. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Echo dollar question mark, it gives us the status of the last executed command. If it is correct, it will send us 0. If it is not correct, it will send us 1 or 127. 127 for error. Okay, so this is the technique. Okay, so you understood this, I suppose. Now we will be comparing it. Okay, so str1 is equal to str2. Is it equal or not? Is str1 equal to str2 or not? Anybody can please reply. Are str1 and str2 equal?
No.
No. So what would be our equal dollar question mark value?
Echo dollar question mark value should be anything else than 0.
One.
It shouldn't be 0. Oh, I have not put double quotes actually. I'll not put condition. Okay, if I wrote it like this, okay, so this is wrong. Okay, I write str1 is equals to good and I write str2 is equals to bad. Okay, then here I put it in brackets. Okay, and check whether they equal or not. Okay, this is for checking two strings. Okay, okay, now my echo dollar question mark value will be 1 because yes, they are not equal. If they would have been equal, then my echo dollar question mark value would be 0. Okay, next is this symbol stands for not equal to. Okay, if they are not equal. So yes, they are not equal. So what would be my echo dollar question mark value? Yes, please reply. What would be my echo dollar question mark value?
0.
127.
It will be 0.
It would, yes, it will be 0. Next is hyphen n. Hyphen n stands for if it is having some length. Okay, so yes, it is having some length. So what would be my echo dollar question mark value? 0, because it is
0.
having some length. So similarly, hyphen z stands for 0. Okay, so I check for $str1, str3. Okay, so yes, it is 0. So echo dollar question mark value will be, but let me tell you that it is coming 1. Why it is coming 1? Because it considers space. Okay, it considers space and it counts at as 1. Okay, so that's why it is coming 1 value.
Where have you,
Okay,
I mean, I can't see you, like, have you declared somewhere like str3? I can't see it.
we declared it before. Okay,
Okay,
let me declare it. Okay, it did as a null. Okay, I'm not giving double quotes or anything else. Okay,
okay.
echo dollar question mark value is giving 0. I'm sorry. Okay, I suppose I have not declared it only.
Can you
Okay,
take a new string like str4, please?
str4 I took. Okay,
Yeah,
I have not declared it anything. Okay, now I
okay.
did it. Sorry. Okay, so when I do echo dollar question mark, the value is 0. Understood? All of you?
Okay, okay, yeah.
And that Z represents
Pardon?
set. Set represents what?
Okay, this
Hyphen.
represents that hyphen z represents that the size. Okay, the size here you can see that the length of the string is 0. N stands for that the length of the string is greater than 0, and z stands for that the length of the string is equal to 0. Okay,
Okay, okay, okay.
and if we just write it like this, okay, yes, this exists. Okay, although it's a null value, but it exists. Okay, so that's why the value is 0. Now this is some program. Okay, here str1 is equals to good morning, str2 is equals to good night. Okay, now if I compare both of them, so echo dollar question mark value is coming to 1. Obviously they are not equal. Okay, but what we do is properly according to manner, what we do is we keep them in double quotes actually. Okay, because we don't know how much big a sentence it is. Okay, and we need to compare this good morning, good night, both. Okay, that's why we try giving it in double quotes. Okay, so this is the fun thing I wanted to explain, that if I am enclosing it, okay, so it has two words, good morning, goodbye, so we need to enclose it in double quotes, otherwise in other situations it can give error. Next is use of logical operators. Okay, so what are logical operators? I suppose everybody might be knowing, they would have learnt in their physics and computers in earlier stage, logical operators. Anybody can tell me what are logical operators? Come on, guys, give it a try. Very easy answer. Yes, Viraj. Okay, nobody is answering me. Yes, Srinath, you also don't know?
I read it in my graduation. I'm having trouble recalling it.
Okay, give it a try.
Maybe like I am recalling in there was some programming language, and it was like if you're comparing like two things, like and operator is like this string and this string. If these are equal, then output is this. And or if I'm checking just one string, that if this string or this string is equal to this, then the output is this. Any one of them. And it's like not any it's like if both the values are not matching, then the output is this, kind of this. The rough idea
Yes,
I recall is this
yes,
one.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
it
you're
will
correct.
tell like true or false.
Yes, it will tell us true or false. Okay, so first I'm jumping on to and. Okay, so if, suppose if A is equal to B, okay, this my condition is correct. Okay, so means if two conditions are there, okay, means two conditions are there and both are true. Okay, both should be true. Okay, this and this both should be true. So then only it returns true and it is and condition. Or means if both the condition, if either of the condition is false, okay, then only it, then also it will return true. Okay, or means this or that. Okay, if A is equals to 1 or B is equals to 2, if any of the condition is true, okay, then my system will return true. Okay, and not means if none of the condition works. Okay, so these are three operators we will be using, and, or, and not. Okay, so we'll be writing a program with the same, with the help of the same. Okay, so here I am going to take out the percentage. Okay, I'll be taking out the percentage. Let's see. So please make it with me. Okay, okay, so read M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5. Okay, so I add all of them because I have to take out the percentage. EXPR $M1 plus $M2 plus $M3. You can see how properly I'm giving the spaces. Please mind giving the spaces, otherwise you will fall with some errors. M5. Okay, I added all of them. Then I have to take out the percentage. So I do it. You know the formula for percentages. Suppose I scored 370 out of 500. Okay, so we do 370 out of 500 into 100. Okay, so this is the formula, 370 divided by 500 into 100. We do it like this. Suppose, let me explain you. 370 divided by 500 into 100. Okay, so 100 fives are 500 hota hai na? So what happens is this 500 gets cancelled and we get to know is 370 divided by 5. Okay, so here also I'm using that same technique. Okay, dollar expr dollar add divided by 5. Okay, in order to take out the percentage. Now if the percentage is greater than 60, so we call it first division. When you we call it first division. Okay, fi, we close it like this. Then if the percentage, so like this, so and so forth, many percentages are there. Okay, okay, so I need to make greater than or equal to. Here I should use. Okay, if the percentage, okay, if it is greater than 50, and here this is, you can see, and condition I'm using. Okay, means now if I'm using this and condition, what will it mean? Okay, so firstly let me explain you this condition. Okay, dollar percentage should be greater than 50. Okay, if this criteria falls, okay, that the percentage is greater than 50
Sorry,
and
sorry for you.
percentage, yes.
Yeah, so after this echo first division fi, so this is closing the I mean fi. Don't you think it will be L if here?
I have not taught you LF now.
Okay, okay, okay.
When I'll teach you, then only I'll explain you now.
Yeah, yeah, okay, okay.
So this, if percentage is greater than 50, okay. So if the percentage is greater than 50 and then the percentage is less than equal to 60, okay. So what does this mean? That the percentage is in between 50 and 60, okay. Then only my condition will be satisfied. Okay, so if the percentage is between condition that 50 and 60, okay, so means both the conditions are true, and means this means the percentage is greater than 50 also and it is less than 60 also. Okay, then echo second division. Okay, fi, if now that the percentage, okay, is greater than 40 and the percentage is less than 50. Just a second. Yes, I'm right. Okay, so if the percentage is greater than equal to 40 and the percentage is less than 50, then echo third division. Okay, fi. Just as if the percentage is less than 40. If it is less than 40, it means then it is failed. I close it. Okay. Firstly, let me show you the proof of it. Okay. I put to error. Okay, so you can see my answer is first division. Okay, so any problem with this program, any line which you guys are not getting? This is how he uses hyphen a operator and operator. Okay, or operator, if I want to use, I use hyphen o. Okay, and not the exclamatory mark. Okay, copy it and send me that. Okay, I'm sending you the document. All of you do it and send me the output, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.